we can start. Perfect. So it is started. Okay. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And today I turned on the fan because otherwise I won't be able to see it. And I don't know who is waiting. Okay. So first, let's start it. And yeah. So it's day 2. Perfect. Sorry, so it is started. Okay. Hey, everything is working. So yeah. So thank you. If anyone is gonna watch it, and let me close everything. First thing, I think everything is working. I mean I closed, but you see कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. I have to do something, right? You have to do something if you are watching video. I am so sorry. Okay, so yesterday I was trying to solve a problem and I felt like I was in panic mode. I don't know. Because of that I wasn't able to think, but once I stopped streaming after having dinner, I came back and it was piece of cake. I just have to come up with better approach sometimes. That's why, oh man, so dynamic programming we are working, right? I'm just planning to restart the revision of array binary search so that this will be in my mind. Okay, so we are focusing on 1D problems, and also I'm just focusing first on the technique that I know, memoization or memoization, where we just using a array and providing it as a input, and then we based on that, if we have stored the value, then we are not calculating the result again. And also I started watching the Aditya Verma's video, so I just started an introduction video. Maybe tomorrow or today only also I'll watch few of the videos, especially I'll start with knapsack, and here we are continuing whatever we know so far, and we'll watch the tutorials here also, so no problem. Let's jump. Okay, so frog jump. Okay, I'll tell you how I solved it. First let's cover it, because yesterday I stopped streaming in between. So this was the tab 1, like I'll just delete it. It was a copy paste solution. So let's jump it. Okay, so if you know, first I created memory, or you can say simple blank memory, you can say it's memory. Okay, then I just simply called with the first index 0 and height and memory we are passing. If it is greater than this, I think I don't need to tell you the code, it's bakwas. So let's jump into another problem. We'll see how I'm gonna tackle it. And okay, so now this is second problem, so it seems like it's similar to the previous problem. A frog wants to climb but a staircase within a step and steps. Okay, given an integer array heights, where heights I contains the height of ith step and integer k. What is integer k? To jump from ith step to jth step, frog requires this much energy, where absolute denotes the absolute difference. The frog can jump from ith step to step I plus 1 or I plus k, okay, provided it exists. Great. Oh, so it's an extension of the previous problem. It's pretty easy, man. I'm just thinking like it will be easy, similar to that previous one. Instead of 2, you are now taking the step of k, and you have to check like if I plus k is possible. If not possible, just say okay, it's not possible. No, not possible. Let's write down the solution for it. Okay, write down the minimum amount of energy required to frog to go from 0 to n minus 1th step. Okay, so let me note down the example again. 10, 5, we have 20, we have 0, we have 15. Okay, and let's note down another example. It is nothing but 15, 4, 1, 14, 5, 15. Case 3. And case 2. So let's jump and solve it. Man, where are you? Where are you now? You were the shadow of my light. Did you see this? I don't know, man. I just learned two lines of lyrics, and nowadays I'll tell you. So I know 2 lines. I'll just hum them. Okay. So first is, a club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friend are at a table doing sorts. That's all. And next line I'm just trying to make rhythm, but I know two lines frequent. I can sing them. Club isn't the best. No. A club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends doing a sort. Me and my friends at a table doing sorts. Still not in rhyme. Okay, jokes apart. Oh no, it's not joke. I want to become a singer in voice of Cuckoo. I'll sing like Cuckoo. Sorry, that's joke. I don't know if I'm able to crack it or not. Okay, I think my voice will be very low, crazy. So yeah, we have 10, 5, 20 and 0, 15. These are the elements, or you can say energy, heights, you can say. Now the simple thing is like you are at 0. Okay, now you have two options. You can go to K. So it's like earlier, if you say you can take one step, one, you can take two step. Here just it's same. And now from here you can take one step. Oh my bad, two. Here you can go 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 4. What are the different indices of it? 0, 1. God. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll draw an example and then we'll do it. So 4, and here if we'll see 5. So this is not possible. Simply you can say 2, we can go to 3, and we can go to 4. 4, we can go to 5, and we can go to, even we don't need to go to 5. Let me tell you. We'll reuse the same 3 to 4, 3 to 5. So this is not possible, this is not possible, this is not possible, and yeah, 4, you are 4, you don't need to go here. Alright, now what you will say if you are at 4? Maybe let's say one thing will do 5, 4. So 4 you will say 5, go 5, and it will go 6. So 6 not possible. 5 it will return 0. So we are assuming like if you are at 5 you will return 0, and I'm still missing the concept of what. I don't think I need to do something like this. Sometimes I forget concepts. I mean, I know how to solve it, but so okay, let's do one thing. Simply, if you are reaching here, that means you don't need to. You are already reached the location, so you will return 0. Simply, you will return infinite something here from here. So which is minimum? You definitely will say 0. So what it will do? You are getting 0 from here simply, and here you will calculate. So what is the energy between these two? So you will say, okay, where I went from there and till there, what step I took. Infinite, you will say, okay, if I'm getting infinite and this index is something from where I can't reach, even we don't need to say it, but let's take. So you will get infinite and you will get something from here. I want to automate. Okay, let's take it. So what you will do? 3 minus 4. Okay, here I'm not able to explain out what. Oh god. 3 4 3 4, if you say 3 and 4 4 4 15, so you will get 0 plus 15. No, I mean here you will return infinite and 15, so you will return 15. Okay, 0 plus 15.
that you will return. So it got from here 15. I mean, yeah, it returned 15. And now you will say, okay, what I need to return? And from here it will return what? 0, right? So now you will say, okay, it is returning 0 and it is returning 15. It needs 15 units of energy. And after that you will compare, okay, 2 4 what is the energy, and 3 2 what is energy. So 2 4 you will say 2 and 4, 2 4 15 25. So here if you will say 0 plus 5, it will be something like 0 plus 5. And here you will say, okay, what will be the energy? This one, man, I know, I don't want. Okay, well, I need to do 0 plus 5. And here you will say 15 plus what? 3 2, 3 and 2, 3 2 20 0 0. So 15 plus 20 20. So 15 plus 20, it will be like 35. So 35 and 5, definitely you will gonna return 5, and you will get 5 and 0 and 1. What will be the value? 0 and 1, what the heck, 0 and 1, 10, 5. So 5 plus 5, 10. So you will say, okay, from left side we are getting 10. And let's see. Oh, I missed one more part. 5 plus okay, this is one part, and from here you will get something, right? From here you will say, okay, again I need to calculate. You get it, right? I'm little lazy in drawing and calculating it. Let me solve it problem. I'll do it from a next problem maybe. I'll try to solve it then. Define. Man, what are you doing? You're not explaining properly. Solve. I'll say solve this time. I want to say self function, and we need to pass. Okay, first let's write down the complete logic. So we'll create a memory. Memory will be nothing but, here it will be like -1, and for underscore in, let me calculate n will be nothing but len of heights. It's the same problem, just steps got changed in n range, not n. Okay, so it will be -1 at starting. And now what you will do, you will ask, okay, result is nothing, no, written self dot solve. Okay, what are the things that you have to pass? N, okay, maybe heights, k, n, and m. These are the things you need to pass. Self solve, and here you will say heights, k, n, and mem. So these are the things that you are passing. And now what you will do, if, okay, I need to pass one more thing, that is index, rdx, I'll call it rdx. Sorry, I can't laugh into it. rdx. If rdx, I mean index, equals to n-1, that means you hit the same, return 0 simply. If rdx greater than n or equals to n, you can say simply, bro, I hit, it's not the real number, or return. You will say, okay, what I'll return. You will return infinite float of, oh come on, float of minus inf plus inf. Okay, so I'm did I smell laughing? Guess or what? Why am I laughing? Maybe I'm laughing at me. Sorry. Okay, so we got this, and if now let's check. So these are the boundary conditions or base condition. If you are hitting this or this, other than that, what can be the case? Like you are already getting, so memory of IDX. So definitely it's not overflowing and it's not n-1. So still you have reserve option. IDX is greater than or equals to 0. It could be 0 also. So return mem of IDX. Yeah, if you have result, then you don't need to repeat it, right? Or you don't need to recalculate it. So that is one possible thing, not things.
And what else? So this is normal condition. You can say you are using memoization or memoization, not memoization. And if it is not possible, then we need to find out the left result, and left will be nothing but self you are going to call. You can make anyone, like, so I'm taking first one step as a left, two step as a right, and that's the right approach logically. Self dot, because here you are taking baby steps, so you can calculate, recompute the same things. Okay, so self dot solve, and you will call, okay, idx plus 1 will take one step, heights k n and mem. Okay, right will be something like, okay, self dot solve idx plus k, that is only the big new step, heights you will do, and k n and mem. Okay, so you got the result left and right. What could be the possible options? You will get infinite, or you will get something result. And let's calculate dl and dr. I mean distance, or you can say el, energy left. What if you are taking left jump, how much energy you have to consume, or how much, so it depends on what you are doing. So you will say, okay, you will say two things, absolute of what, heights of idx minus heights of idx plus 1. Okay, and that is only possible if you can say idx plus 1, I don't need to do this parenthesis and all, is less than n, definitely, otherwise it will, you will hit index overflow. And er will be absolute of heights of idx, I think I can copy the same, idx plus k if idx plus k less than n is 0. Okay, now we need to find the result. What will be the result? Result will be nothing but, you can say, max, not max, mean of left plus el and right plus er, energy right. Okay, I know I'm taking my selection of book keywords are very bad. Come on, man, why are you doing it? And now we need to store the result. So mem of idx is nothing but result, and return, you can return result. So I hope everything I covered, if I'm not wrong. Oh my god, where is id? Where I kept id? Oh no, oh, it will show line 14. Here, I mean, yeah, 0. Still, what the heck? I did left. I had to use tabulation method. Oh, get. What the heck, bro? What exactly happened? Why I'm getting 20 your output, 20 expected 0? Really? Now I need to do something that I was not doing. And I need 10 0 0 0 10 0 10 0 10.
Okay, let's do one thing. Now I'll do it properly. So what I'll do, we have given this side 10, 10, 10, 0, 10, 0, 10, 0, 10. How many elements are there? 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 1, 7, 10. Oh man, it will be confusing. 10, 0, 10, 0, 10, 0, 10. 10, 0, 10, 0, 10, 0, 10. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you will start with 0. You will jump into one step. K, what is K? K is 3. So we'll jump into 1. Right side, what I will do? You will take 3 steps. So you 0 plus 3. And what I will do? 1 to 1 step 2. What else? 1 3 step 4. What else? 1 step, I mean 3. What? How many steps? 2 3 5. Still we have, right? 3 2. You will jump into 4. Here you will jump 3 3 6. Okay, here you will jump 5. Here you jump 4 3 7. Here 5 1 6. 5 3 8. I'm just trying all the possible options. So 5 6. Another one, 5 3 8. Here you will say same. Okay, 4 we have result, for 3 we have result, so I'm not going to do the same, calculate the same. Even we don't need to, let me reduce the numbers that are already being calculated. If you know 5 we have, 7 we have, 6 we have, so yeah, that is pretty much, so everything we have covered. So what you will do, first thing you will start calculating from here. So from 6, what you will get? For 6 it will be 0. For 8 it will be INF. So from 0 and INF you will calculate. Okay, for INF I know it's greater than this 5, and so you will say okay, I'll take the distance between this as 0. So 0 plus INF will be INF only, and for it 5 and 6, 5 and 6 10. So you will get 10 plus 0. So you will return to it 10 plus 0, because this one is higher. So yeah, now what you will do, you will calculate again. From here you will get INF. So what you will do, you will calculate 4 and 5. So what will be the distance? 4 and 5, 5 you will say 4 and 5, 4 5 10. So you will get 10 plus 10. You will get 10 20 here, right? Yeah, 20. The distance plus this 10 plus 10 I will say. So you got 20 from here, and what, this 3 and 6, 6 and 3, 10, right? So you will say okay, let's return 10. So you will return 10 from this location, and it will calculate 10 and 3 2 2 3 2 and 3 10. So 10 you will get 10 from here, I mean from this direction, 10 plus 10, and 5 and 2. So for 5 it will be returning 10, and after that like 5 and 2 you will calculate, and you will say okay, this will be like a 5 and 2, 5 and 2 10. So 10 you will get from here, 10 plus 10 20, so you will return 20. It will be 20 here, it will return 20, definitely if you will get 20. So everything we are already getting 20 only, I'm getting. But how they are possible, how it's possible to get 10? I'm missing something or what? The frog wants to climb this. To jump from ith step to jth frog. Okay. I'm missing something for 1 minute. If a frog want to climb the staircase with any step given an integer height of contains. Why, bro? Again the same mistake I'm doing. I plus 1 I plus k provided it exists. Come on, man. What went wrong? How can? Oh, okay. Let me do one thing. So you have two options: 0 to 1, 10 0, 10 0, 10 0, 10 0, 10 0, 10 0, 10 0, 10. Can we go from this step to 1 to 5, 4 step? 4 we don't want to take. And we will take I did mistake or I'm just thinking. I will solve 0 expected. K2. Let me see this. Ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT, come on, man. I need something from him. I haven't provided 3. K equals to 3. Wait a minute. Frog can jump up to 3 steps ahead.
Oh god. I mean, literally, I'm doing something silly. It can jump from this range to this range. I know what I'm doing. Either this one or this one. Okay, that's very bad. Yeah, of course. How can I optimize it more? Or I mean range, not S. Let's say for step in range 1 to k plus 1, then it will take. And now what we'll do, we'll just do one thing. Result of, you can say, INF, we are taking maximum. Now what you'll do, result you will calculate I plus IDX plus 1, right? I mean yes. And you see, oh god, just will say energy RDX plus S. And you'll say S is nothing but Mn is nothing but mean of Mn, and so far what is this result? Result plus E, of course. And finally you are calculating at each step, so you don't need to take care of that. And finally you can result, you can say minimum is the result, and why I'm not reading properly. This is my big problem. Now I'm just doing, I'm desperate to solve problems. Sorry. So finally I solved it, but still I feel like I have to learn from this problem, like what I'm doing. It's a bad habit. Bad, very bad. Little different, like I don't know why I'm not liking the light. Somehow it's like something is not going good. So man, it's irritating me. It's facing on my face, it's focusing on my face, spreading on, no, it's completely throwing on my face. So something is still I'm missing, like I think. Okay, today for the day I'll do this only. I just want to take little peace. I don't know why I'm disturbed. Thank you so much. Bye bye. We'll connect later. And that's all for the day. I mean, I need to watch Aditya Verma's video, but yeah, that's all for the day. Keep practicing, keep doing, keep hustling. I mean, yeah. Thank you so much.